Trade. Trade.
Good days, everyone. No matter where you're turning in from, whether you're just starting. Yes, today, in this morning, like everywhere, like already in the middle of the trading grind or relaxing at the end of the day, welcome to our global live stream. Yes, I'm Annie, your host, and for the next 2 hours, and on behalf of the entire WeMasterTrade team, I'm thrilled to have you here. And yes, also, yes, today's section is just not just a presentation. It's going to be a real conversation, a chance for you to step up and also into the engine world of one of the most fast-growing and forward-thinking funded trading firm in the industry too. And of course, I'm not here alone. Joining with me are two outstanding traders, have shaped the culture, the vision, the standard of WeMasterTrade. And they are not just skilled professional, they are mentor, they are leader within our community. First up, let ever compose, always insightful, Tommy. Yeah, welcome Tommy.
Thank you so much, Annie. Hello everyone, and thank you for choosing to spend your time with us today. I'm genuinely excited for this section because there's so much we are going to uncover, not just strategies or rules, but the entire ecosystem that WeMasterTrade has built. This is a platform that doesn't just fund trade, it builds traders step by step from starting out to scaling to earning.
And next to him is someone known for sharp analysis, clear logic, and absolutely no nonsense chart reading, strategic, precise, and one of the most strongest voice in our trading community. Please welcome Hidden.
Thank you, Annie. Hello to everyone in the chat. I'm genuinely thrilled to be here. What excites me most is that today we are unpacking everything, not just what WeMasterTrade offers, but how you can truly take advantages of each part of our system, packages, promotions, scaling, payout structures, all of it. If you have ever had questions or doubts, today is your chance to ask.
Exactly. Whether you are completely new or already a funded trader with us, today's live stream will give you the full picture, not just the highlight reel. We're going to walk through what WeMasterTrade truly is, what we believe in, and how our programs are designed, and why we operate differently from traditional broker or prop firms. And just to clarify, this isn't about selling anything. This is about helping you understand what you are signing up for, how our structure works, and how you can use that structure to not only succeed but also to scale.
Let's start with something important, the story behind WeMasterTrade. WeMasterTrade was built as a funding project, not as a broker. That difference matters. Brokers profit from volume or client losses. WeMasterTrade profits only when traders succeed. We provide capital, take on the risk, and share profits when you perform. That philosophy is the backbone of everything in our system.
Exactly, and that philosophy shapes our trading packages as well. Today we'll walk through each package, who it's designed for, how to choose the right one, and what to expect. If you ever looked at our packages and thought which one fits my style, you'll finally get the answer.
Yes, and beyond just explaining, we're doing a live side-by-side comparison. Pricing, account sizes, MAC drawdowns, consistency rules, payout timelines too. Reading numbers on the website is one thing, and understanding the intention behind those numbers is another.
And once you understand packages, the next big question is always, how do I stay compliant while trading? So we will dive deep into the rules, especially the daily loss limit, how it's calculated, why floating P&L matters, and how to avoid violations, especially overnight. We will also break down maximum total loss, the consistency ratio, and clarify common misunderstandings around trade sizing and risk per trade.
And I won't just explain rules, I'll share real experience from my early funded trading days, mistakes I made, adjustments I learned, and how the rules are actually there to protect your growth, not limit it.
And yes, of course, we're going to go through the current promotion too, like the discount codes, support campaigns, capital bonuses, and show you exactly how to qualify submit proof property too.
And finally, we will talk about the scale-up plan, one of the most underrated features of WeMasterTrade. Many traders don't realize there's a structured pathway to grow into higher capital tiers. With consistent performance, you don't just get payouts, you actually climb toward becoming a six-figure funded traders.
And speaking of growth, let's talk about one of the strongest engines behind long-term income at WeMasterTrade, the profit sharing model. This is the heartbeat of what makes us different from every typical prop firm out there. When you trade on a funded account, follow the rules and generate profit, we share that profit with you and not just a small cut up to 90%. And here's the thing, the percentage is just the headline. What really matters is the payout cycle and the thresholds, how the timeline works, and we're breaking all of that down today so you know exactly how to maximize every payout opportunity.
Now, I know there's a lot of you turning into today aren't just trader. Some of you are mentor, educator, community leaders, or you are simply just have strong network, right? So we are also diving into affiliate program too. We are going to do it transparently. We will walk through how commissions are calculated, how referrals are tracked, and most importantly, what you need to qualify for payouts. That includes a full explanation of the 2 referee rules and the minimum funding requirement. No confusion, no surprise.
And that's super important. We have seen huge growth in affiliate activity lately, which is awesome, but we want every partner to feel clear, confident, and responsible with the way they promote. When you understand the system, you are not just earning commissions, you are building a long-term, sustainable income stream.
So, as you can already tell, this is not just a usual surface level live stream. Today, we're going to get deep into everything, like trading packages, we got like trading rules, promos, scale pathway, profit sharing, affiliate opportunity for you. All with one goal, which is helping you to make the smartest, most informed decision for your trading journey.
And we want this to be interactive, not just a lecture. So if you have questions, throw them into the chat anytime. Our moderators are here. We're watching and we'll answer as many as we possibly can. Your voice matters. This whole live stream is for you.
And if you are watching the replay later, don't worry. We will leave timestamps summarized and you can always reach out to our support team to clarifications. They are one of the most dedicated teams I have worked with. They really want traders to succeed.
So, before we jump in, let me just say this. WeMasterTrade is not just a platform, it's a commitment. A commitment to build a real trader, a commitment to fairness, a commitment to giving people all around the world a structure, like to Scrabble Park, to turning trading into profession, not gamble. So, if you're here to grow, to understand, and to take action, you are in exactly the right place. Let's take this journey together. Alright everyone, let's begin. And once again, welcome to WeMasterTrade live stream. Alright, thank you for once again for being here with us. Before we jump into the packages, trading rules like promos, everything exciting for what that is coming, right? We want to take a step back and zoom out for a moment. Because before you put into your times, your energy, and your trading journey into a platform, understanding who we are, what we believe in, isn't just helpful, it's essential. And so, this next segment is all about origin, intention, and impact. It's about where WeMasterTrade came from, what value holds this entire platform together, and how the values transform into real tools, real opportunities, and real outcome for traders like you. And to walk with us today, through that story, we have got 2 people who literally live and breathe this mission every single day, which is Hayden and Tommy. Let's kick from the beginning.
Thanks, MC. To really understand WeMasterTrade, you have to understand why it was created in the first place. Unlike most brokers of prop firms that grew out of traditional finance, WeMasterTrade was born with a very specific mission: to give capable traders access to real capital, regardless of where they come from, what their background is, or how much money they have in their savings. Talents shouldn't be limited by circumstance, and that's exactly what WeMasterTrade was built to solve. And we were founded in 2022 as part of the WeMasterTrade Group, headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. WeMasterTrade made its name through investor networks, copy trading technology and signals, but WeMasterTrade, it was created with a sharper, more focused vision to find high potential traders, support them, fund them, and scale them so they can professionally without risking their own capital.
There's one key point many people overlooked, and it matters. WeMasterTrade is not a broker. This isn't a slogan, it's a fundamental difference in how we operate. We don't earn from spreads, we don't earn from commissions, and we don't earn when traders lose. Our model only works when traders are profitable. That's why everything we have built, instant funding, profit sharing, scale up, is designed with that alignment in mind. We take on the capital risk, we provide the structure and the pathway. Your role is to trade with skill and discipline. When you grow, we grow. But we also know something important: skill alone isn't enough. One of our core principles from day one has been education first. We don't want traders just memorizing rules. We want them to understand the logic behind the structure, the why behind the risk model. And that's why we have invested heavily into the WeMasterTrade Academy, a complete learning ecosystem designed to take traders from beginner all the way to consistently funded professional.
And the Way Academy is seriously something special. We have training that covers everything from trading like psychology to risk calibration to advanced multi-asset strategy. But the best part is, it's not just theory, it's built to mirror the real trading environment inside WeMasterTrade. So whatever you learn in the academy, you can apply directly to the funded account the very same day. And to make sure that everything we build meets global educational standard, WeMasterTrade is proud to be ISO 21001, 2018. So certifies. Is a recognition to give to show the institution that deliver the high quality, structure, and internationally compliant learning system. Is a big achievement and it represents our commitment to long-term traders' development.
Now that certification isn't just a badge, it's a statement. It shows we are invested in developing traders, not in collecting fees and disappearing like so many firms in this space. While other platforms rise fast and vanish even faster, WeMasterTrade has built real structure, stability, compliance, transparent processes, and a team that stands behind every decision. We're not here for a quick wave, we're here to help build careers that last.
And that commitment shows in the stories we hear every day. If you visit our testimonials page, you will see traders from Nigeria, Vietnam, Canada, the Philippines, South Africa, all sharing how WeMasterTrade didn't just help them earn more, but helped them trade with confidence and purpose. Some passed trade challenges after years of being stuck with retail brokers. Some finally escaped the fear of risking their old savings. Some found clarity, structure, and support they would never experience before. We have watched students turn into full-time traders. We have seen women step back into finance after long career breaks, and young professionals from underbanked regions, people who were locked out of the markets, now trade with real capital and real opportunity. That's the impact we care about. That's what keeps us moving.
But the ecosystem goes beyond funding. For traders who want to keep learning, evolving, and staying in tune with the market, we maintain a constantly updated blog section, weekly insights, psychology breakdowns, market reaction, platform updates for you. And also, we believe in trading. Trading is a lifelong craft, and we make sure our community never stops shaping its edge. And let's talk about the culture for a moment. What set WeMasterTrade apart isn't just feature, it's the mindset that we cultivate. Integrity, respect, share knowledge. Whatever you are chatting in our Telegram group, watching our YouTube series, or talking about our live support team, you will notice one thing. We actually listen. We treat trader like partner, not ticket numbers.
And I want to be very honest here. In most platforms, the trader is just another customer. But at WeMasterTrade, the trader is the center of entire model. Your performance fuels the business, your feedback shapes the platform, your consistency determines how far we scale together. That kind of mutual accountability is rare and is something we genuinely value.
So if you have ever questioned whether this path is real, whether a trading career is something you can actually build, go read the testimonials, look at the funded accounts, talk to people who have been through the system. The stories are real, the capital is real, and the results, they speak loudly.
To summarize, WeMasterTrade is more than just a platform. We are a capital allocator, a talent accelerator, and an education-first trading institution. We're here to challenge the status quo in trading assets, to reward performance over promotion, and to create real, scalable income opportunity for traders worldwide, no matter where you start. This is a bigger than a prop firm. It's a trading movement, and if you are ready to be part of it, today LiveStream will give you the full roadmap to get started. Thank you for Hayden and Tommy for that deep and honest walkthrough. Coming up next, we will take this foundation and connect it directly to what we offer, our actual account packages. That means a full breakdown of all the different account options at WeMasterTrade, how they differ, how are they designed, who are they designed for, and what kind of result you can realistically expect from each of them. So now that we've explored who WeMasterTrade is and the principle that we stand for, it's time to dive into our most important part of today's session, a detailed discussion of our account packages. For most traders, this is where the journeys begin, choosing a structure that aligns with our goals, with your trading style and your current skill level. And when we say packages, it's not just about dollars amount. We're talking about frameworks for growth. Each package at WeMasterTrade represents a different pathway, a roadmap toward building skill, scaling your capital, and unlocking potential. Today, we will walk you through every package, explain what is offered and how it's structured, and most importantly, who it's designed for.
Exactly, Annie. At WeMasterTrade, we don't believe in a one-size-fits-all model. That's why we create two distinct product lines for traders, the challenge package and the instant funding package. Each line comes with a variety of account size and configurations because traders come with different strengths, risk appetite, and timeline. We make sure there's part for everyone, whether you are starting small or ready to scale fast.
And now let's talk about the instant funding package designed for traders who are ready to skip the challenge phase and start trading with real capital immediately. Unlike the challenge model, this for those who already have a test strategy or want to hit the ground running. It's fast, efficient, and still structured around the same risk rule that keeps your account safe.
In the instant funding package, you select an account size, 10K, 25K, 50K, or 100K, and you start trading real funds from day one. The rules are straightforward: 5% daily loss, 10% maximum loss, and 1 on 100 leverage. There are no simulated phases. You're already in the fund stage, and your profits share up to 90%.
So, to summarize, the challenge package is perfect if you want a step-by-step progression. Prove your skill, get familiar with WeMasterTrade risk framework, and gradually unlock higher profit share. The instant funding package is for traders who want to start with real capital immediately, with all the protection and profit sharing benefit intact.
Exactly. Think of it as this way. Challenge package, that means build confidence, demonstrate skills, grow progressively, and instant funding is this trade like capital immediately if you are confident in your strategy. Both paths lead to the same destination, scaling your trading career with WeMasterTrade.
And don't forget, both packages are fully compliant with WeMasterTrade risk management rules. That's our guarantee. You have a clear, transparent path whether you're learning, testing, or trading full-time. The difference is only the starting point, your skill level and comfort with risk.
So whatever stage you are at, beginner, like intermediate or advanced, there's a WeMasterTrade package for you. And coming up next, we're going to do a side-by-side comparison of challenge versus instant funding, so you can clearly see the account sizes, risk rules, timelines, and profit share opportunities for you too.
The $35K to $100K challenge packages are perfect for traders who already have capital management experiences, especially those aiming to scale into larger funded accounts. If you have passed all the prop challenges or have a strong, verified trading history, this is the next step to level up your career.
Every challenge package comes with one-time fee. For example, it's just $50 for the $10,000 challenge. Here's the good part. That fee is refundable once you become funded and meet the minimum performance condition. And if things don't go your ways, you are eligible for 30% reset discount, so you can get start fresh and keep learning. But what if you don't want to go through a challenge at all and you want a real capital from day one? Earning purely based on the result? That's where our instant funding package comes in.
And this is where WeMasterTrade really stands out. The instant funding model is designed for experienced, disciplined traders who want to trade real capital immediately. No evaluations, no demo stage, just live trading, fully backed by a structured, fair, and transparent system.
And accessibility is key. You can choose from several account types based on your trading style, references, and goals. Today we'll go through the 5 main instant funding packages: standard, 51010, 5100, 511010 no PC, customized. We'll compare the details, but most importantly, we'll help you figure out which package is right for you.
Let me set the sense. All the instant funding packages give you live trading access from day one. That means no challenge phrases, no evaluation. You pay once, follow all the rules, and start trading real capital immediately. And every account, no matter the size, include no time limits, up to 90% profit share, scale up plan toward 1 million, a supported of EA, swing trade, scalping, and even HFT strategy. Now, let's get into the package by package. So, Hayden and Tommy, I want you to jump in with the real advice. Who should choose which package, and what kind of traders have you seen succeed with each of them?
Let's get up with the standard package. I like to call this one the trader's best friend. Why? Because it gives stability, predictability, and room to trade smart. You get a set up to 200,000 in capital, and with a 4% daily loss limit and 6% overall maximum loss. This balance lets you focus on trading quality setups, not just hitting arbitrary targets.
Exactly. Think of it as the calm, steady account. It doesn't push you to overtrade or stress out. And with a profit share up to 90%, even a slow and steady strategy can produce serious earnings. For example, a disciplined swing trader who captures 2 to 3 solid trades per week can compound results safely without risking the account unnecessarily.
And what about commissions?
They're highly competitive across all instruments like Forex, $5 per lot, gold $6 per lot, indices 0.50 per lot, stock just 0.07 per lot. It's all designed to make trading affordable while still accessing a broad range of markets.
And the flexibility is unmatched. You can use news trading, scalping, swing trades, weekend holds, EAs, or even HFT strategies. Basically, any style you prefer.
So here's the takeaway. If you are someone who trades consistently, knows your strategy and want a full suite for your instruments, and aims to build long-term performance, the standard package is a solid choice.
Intermediate to advanced traders who know their edge but don't want to be tied to aggressive target-based challenges. If you have ever seen an account wiped out due to unrealistic rules, you will appreciate how fair and forgiving this package is.
And swing trader will love it. The 4 on 6% risk profile gives enough room to hold multi-day position, and weekend hold is fully allowed. It's essentially a stress-free environment to execute your strategy without artificial pressure. Yeah, you can continue.
Yeah, next up, let's shift into the 5-10-10 package. Same maximum capital up to $200,000, but now you get 5% daily loss and 10% overall limit. So why is that important?
That extra breathing room is huge for traders who scale into positions or like taking multiple entries per setup. Imagine you are in a volatility market with fast swings. The 5-10-10 rules let you navigate larger moves without hitting daily limits prematurely. It's a game changer for professional style trading.
The profit target here is 10%, perfectly aligned with the higher risk window. And as always, you'll get full flexibility, scalping, EAs, new trading, swing trades, HFT, whatever suits your style. This package is all about tolerance and adaptability. It rewards traders who understand position, sizing, risk management, and market timing.
So Hayden and Tommy, for someone who deciding between standard and 5-10-10, how do they know which fits their trading personality the most?
If you prefer lower risk, steady growth, standard is your friend. You can compound slowly without pressure. 5-10-10 is for those who understand volatility, manage multi-mile position, and want a slightly larger cushion. You have more room to make strategic move without being cut off by limits.
Exactly, and we have seen many traders graduate from standard to 5-10-10 once they understand the edge. It's about scaling safely yet aggressively when the opportunity arises. This package is perfect for day traders, especially those focusing on fast-moving assets like Nasdaq, gold, or volatile forex pairs. If you already have a test intraday strategy and want a little extra breathing room for risk, this is the package for you. It gives you flexibility without sacrificing structure.
And it's also great for traders who try with clear targets. That's 10% profit, go at motivating milestone, keeping you focused and payout oriented. Some traders perform best when they know exactly what success looks like, and this package gives them that clarity without feeling restrictive.
So to sum up, standard is for steady swing style growth, and 5-10-10 for high tolerance, intraday, and for ambitious trader. Next, we'll dive into the 5-10-0 and the 5-10-10 no PC packages, which are even more flexible and for advanced trading style, including EAs, scalping, and more aggressive strategy. Now, this one a personal favorite for traders who love trading on their terms, the 5-10-0 package. You get a 5% daily limit, 10% overall loss, but 0 profit target. That's right, no numbers chasing you around. Trade smart, trade patient, and let results come naturally.
For traders who thrive on precision over pace, this is pure freedom. You focus on protecting capital, building consistent gains, and growing your account without any arbitrary pressure, no target, just trading, clean, control, and strategy.
This package is perfect for low-frequency traders and market snipers. If you take 3 to 5 trades a week, each with careful planning, this environment actually rewards patience rather than punishing it.
Veteran, swing traders, risk-conscious traders, basically anyone who values consistency over speed. If that sounds like you, this package will feel like home.
And let's face it, not every trader wants to trade targets. Some just want to trade cleanly, scale smartly, and grow steadily. This is the package for them.
Next up, for traders who want maximum flexibility without constraints, the 5-10-10 no PC package. So, Hayden, correct me if I'm wrong. This one removed the profit consistency rule, right?
Exactly, same 5/10 risk profile, but no pressure to smooth out your profits. You can hit big wins, take calculated swings, and you are not penalized for volatility in markets, in results.
Just a heads up, trade copiers aren't allowed, so this is for manual traders only. But for those who enjoy high risk, high reward trading with occasional big spikes, this is the ideal arena.
It's for aggressive traders, risk takers, or anyone frustrated by strict consistency rules elsewhere. Trade how you want, as long as you respect the drawdown limits. And last but not least, the customized packages. Think of this as WeMasterTrade saying, you define the rules, we fund your strategy.
And you can set your own daily loss, overall loss, and even fund up to 400,000, the largest funding option we offer. It's designed for serious traders who want total control without compromising on flexibility.
This premium or asset trading. You can use EIs, new strategies, weekend holding, HFT, everything. If you have a very specific approach in mind, this is the packages that lets you bring it to life. Top tiers professionals, hedge fund traders, high volume traders, signal providers, anyone who wants a fully tailored trading setup. This package puts the blueprint in your hands.
I always say if you try other models and nothing fits, the customized package lets you build your own raw math. That level of freedom is rare in the trading world and extremely powerful for serious traders.
To wrap it up, every instant funding package we offer is built around clarity, fairness, and real opportunity. Clear risk parameters, competitive commissions, and full market access, and genuine profit potential for you. No artificial time limits and payouts. They can start as early as the very next day.
And here's the best part. No matter your trading style, scalping, swing, algo, or manual, there's an account that matches you. The key is choosing the one that fits your style and discipline. Start building consistency now, and the growth compounds naturally.
And if you are ever on the fence, our team is available 24/7 to guide you. But here's the real secret: pick the account that suits your discipline, not your dreams. The right fit always outperforms the flawless promise.
So Hayden and Tommy, we have covered the packages, the rules, and the strategy. Next, let's show our audience how to compare them side by side, so they can make an informed choice that actually works for them. Alright traders, you have seen the packages, and now it's time to tackle the rules that can make or break your account, the daily loss limit. Stay tuned. This one separates the pros from the panic. So getting in fun and feel amazing, but staying fun is the real game. And the number one reason accounts get shut down, one thing, daily loss.
Yes, in the infamous daily loss, most traders think they understand it until it closed the account mid-trade on the Tuesday afternoon classic.
But here's the silver lining. Once you really grasp it, This rule become one of your best allies in risk management. Today we'll break it down step by step with real examples.
So what is it? The daily loss limit, also called maximum daily loss, sets the hard cap for losses in a single trading day, including both close and floating trades. Hit it even for a second and your account shut down automatically.
Here's the nuance. It's always calculated from the higher of your starting balance or equity. That small detail is what catches so many traders off guard.
Think of it as a safety leash. It's not there to punish you, it's there to keep you in the game.
Let's get practical. Day 5. Your balance is $105,000, but the equity is $107,000, thanks to some floating profit.
With a 4% daily loss, the system calculates from $107,000, the higher number.
4% of $107,000 is equal to about $4,280. Your equity cannot drop below $202,720 that day, or it's auto liquidations.
And here's the kicker. This is real time. The system doesn't wait. Dip below for even a second and boom, your account closed.
Now flip it. Day 7, balance is $100,000. Equity is $99,000 because some trades are in loss.
Since balance is higher, 4% daily loss equals $4,000. Your equity must stay above $96,000 all day.
Drop to $95,999. Auto liquidation triggers. No margin call, no warning. Just done.
The system executes a market order to close everything. All trades liquidated. This account disabled. You cannot trade again unless you purchase a new package.
And remember, because it executes at live market prices, slippage can make the final P&L worse than expected. That $3,900 loss you planned could turn into $4,200 in seconds.
That's why we always say, don't dance on the edge. Respect the limit. Protect your capital, and you will stay funded longer and grow consistently.
Alright traders, let's dive into how to avoid violating the daily loss rule. This way the pro mindset kicks in.
Tip 1. Know your buffet. Don't plan trades that push you right to the edge of your limit. Leave at least 10 to 15% cushion below your max, especially in volatile markets.
Tip 2. Focus on equity, not just balance. Most traders stare at the balance all day, but if floating losses are dragging your equity down, you are already at risk of violations.
Tips 3. Use the dashboard. WeMasterTrade provides live risk dashboards for you. Check your loss status frequently and don't rely on memories or guesswork, okay?
Tip number 4. Pause after early losses. If you lose 3% in the first hour of the London section, stop, reflect, don't try to revenge trade back into the green.
Tip 5. Trade smaller during news events. Trading gold during NFP at full size. That's a fast track to hitting daily loss. Scale down your loss. Ride and the post volatility move safely.
Let's talk about the traps too. What mistake do traders make the most often with daily loss?
Number 1, over leveraging. Opening trades that are 5 to 7% of your account, thinking you'll exit quickly. When it goes red fast, it's already too late.
Number 2, holding overnight without checking exposure. 3 trades left overnight. Wake up to a 60 pip gap. Daily loss can trigger before you even open your eyes.
And the third big mistake?
Assuming only close trades matter. No. Equity includes floating P&L too. That's your real score. I always tell new traders the daily loss isn't your enemy. Think of it as your account's airbag. it designed to stop you from making irreversible mistakes.
Exactly, it forces discipline. You can be aggressive, but only inside the box. Learn that, and you will last longer than 90% of the market.
One last point, this isn't just about the rules, it's about trust. WeMasterTrade funds you because we trust you. We manage risk responsibility, and the daily loss is protect that trust for both sides. And now we'll get into a break time.
Copy Trade.
Welcome back, traders. Yes, previously we covered the daily loss rules, your days today seatbelt. But now it's time to talk about the ultimate boundary. I'm talking about the maximum loss rule, your account airbag. This isn't just for one day, it's for the entire life of your account.
A lot of traders think I didn't hit my daily limit, I'm safe. But a few days of small losses add up and suddenly liquidation.
Exactly, the max loss is the final safety net. Hit it, and the system sees your account is unsalvageable. Immediate closure, no exceptions.
So what is the maximum loss rule? Let's break it down simply. It's the total loss of your account can sustain across all traders at any moment if your if your equity, including open trades, dips below the threshold, the account is gone, period.
Unlike the daily loss, which resets each day, this is cumulative. Lose 2% one day, 3% the next, cross the line, and that's it.
The actual percentage depends on your package, typically 6% or 10% of your starting balance. It's always based on your initial capital, not your equity or profits.
Suppose your account starts at $50,000 with a 6% max loss, that's $3,000 for you.
Your equity can never fall below $47,000. Doesn't matter if you made $1,000 yesterday, it's cumulative for the start.
And remember, both closed and floating losses count. Close are $2,000, floating $1,200. Equity is $46,800, below $47,000. Account closed.
Not about net gain or loss across trades, it's about real-time equity versus the stop loss floor.
Say your account grows to $51,000, profit feels great, right?
Yeah, but the max loss is still based on original $50,000. 6% limit equals $47,000. Profit only gives extra buffer.
Exactly. Your equity can drop $4,000 before hitting the floor. Profit doesn't move the threshold.
Drop below the max loss, even by a few dollars, and auto liquidation triggers instantly. All trades close at market price.
And like daily loss, slippage might take your final number slightly worse. That's just market reality.
And most importantly, once breached, the account is permanently disabled. No reset, no rolls back, and want to continue trading, you must purchase a new package.
Alright traders, here's the secret sauce. How do you stay inside the max loss box and trade like a pro without squeezing every second?
Tip number 1, know your floor always. Track your total close losses every day. Don't wait for a dashboard alert. Calculate it manually. Awareness is half of the battle.
Tip 2, treat profits as ammo, not armor. Floating gains don't mean go wide. Reduce loss size when you are ahead. Protect your capital, don't gamble it.
Tips 3, manage floating losses like a hawk. Even one wrong trade can turn your cushion into catastrophe. Stay alert, stay disciplined.
Tip number 4, step back when danger looms. If you are 5% down on a 6% max loss, don't chase it, walk away. Take a deep breath, analyze, patient, save accounts.
And tip 5, never fight volatility blindfolded. Big news, reduce size. Gold, Nasdaq, Euro pairs, they spike fast. Respect the markets, respect the limit.
There are top rookie traps that kills account. Now, let's get real. Here's the move that destroy account faster than you can blink.
Number 1, over leveraging. Opening position at 5 to 7% of your account, think it is safe. One wrong move and you're toast.
Tip 2, ignoring floating trades. Close 3 losers, think you are safe. One more red trades floating $100,000, $1,500 to $2,000. Boom, account crosses the line.
Number 3, revenge trading. Lose yesterday, come back screening today to recover. That's how a 6% max lot disappear in 2 sections.
Number 4, slippage during news. Tight stop doesn't matter. A single candle can wipe out your buffer before you can blink.
Listen up, the max loss isn't the enemy, it's your protective shield, your airbag. Every top trader I know treat it as non-negotiable, cross it and the lesson hits hard, account gone.
Exactly, think of it as a reality check. If you are constantly skimming the edge, the problem isn't the rule, it's your strategy or mindset. Fix that and the amount last year, not days.
So here's the mantra. Traders, respect the max loss, trade inside the box, protect your equity, grow consistently. Treat it like your best friend and you will keep your account alive. While most traders self-destruct around you.
At WeMasterTrade, we're not just handling our capital, we're building structure, discipline, and professionalism. The max loss rule, that's the line that separates gamblers from true traders.
So let's lock this in. Traders, here's what you need to remember about max losses. It's a percentage of your starting balance, usually around 6% or 10%. It's calculated from real-time equity, not just your balance. It's count both close and floating losses. Every penny matters. And here's the kicker. One is breached, the account is gone permanently.
Think of it as your final safety net. Respect it, trade smart, and you will survive where most traders fall.
And yes, profit consistency is going to turn luck into reliable growth. Alright traders, we're going to cover the daily loss already, right? And the maximum losses rule. So your capital safely nets. Now let's talk about result, not just risk. As WeMasterTrade, we want to see traders grow, scale, and learn sustainably. That's where profit consistency comes in.
This rule separates lucky spies from true pros. It tells us whether you can make consistent profits over time instead of relying on one big win.
And it's also how we determine profit sharing, withdrawals and scale up. Funded and can withdraw at full profit. This rule is probably why.
Simply put, the profit consistency ratio measures how evenly your profits come in day to day. So one huge spike and the several flat or losing days, high ratio, low consistency.
At WeMasterTrade, most accounts require 30% profit consistency, meaning your best day cannot exceed 30% of your total profit. Exceptions, the 5-10-10 no PC package, no profit consistency rule at all.
Important, if your PC exceeds 20%, your profit share drops to 10%. That's right, keep your consistency in check if you want to maximize earnings. The formula is simple. Best trading day profit divide total close profit multiply 100 equal profit consistency percentage.
Best day equals single day highest close profit, total profit equals sum up all close profit minus close losses. fraudulent losses don't count until closed.
So if your best day is $200 and your total profit is $500, your profit consistency is $200 divided into 500, multiplied to 100, and it will be 40%. That is too high, and you need to trade more to reduce the ratio below 20% to eligible for payout.
5-day results are day 1 plus $100, day 2 plus $200, day 3 minus $50, day 4 plus $100, day 5 plus $60.
And total net profit would be 100 plus 200 minus 50 plus 100 plus 60 and equal 410.
The best day equal the day 2, and it would be $200. So the profit consistency will be $200 divided into 410 multiplied to 100, which will be around 48.78%.
Way above the 30% limit. Even through profit share drops to 10% until consistency improves.
Profit doesn't equal pay. Even profitable traders won't get full profit share if gains are too concentrated.
If you rely on 1 or 2 monster days to carry your account, that's risk, not skill. You need steady wins.
Long-term balance equal higher trust, scale-ups, and full profit share. That's what separates funded pros from lucky spies. Over the limits, don't panic. Focus on evening out profits over multiple days.
Practical tips: reduce lot size for a few days, take smaller control wins, $200 to $300 a day, avoid one massive swing trade, spread gains across multiple days.
For EAs user, monitor your equity curves. Bots that spike profits into one day may hurt the profit consistency. Adjust to keep the ratio below 20 to 30% for the full profit share.
Number 1, hitting target early and resting inflates best day ratio.
Number 2, overtrading after a big day trying to squeeze more equal higher ratio.
Number 3, ignoring the rules. Profit consistency is what we actually measure for growth and scale.
BC isn't a hurdle. It's your roadmap to sustainable growth and maximum profit share.
Hit it, and WeMasterTrade will trust you with higher capital. Ignore it, and even profitable accounts get reduced payout.
So remember, small, steady, reliable profit is over more than one lucky spike any day. Keep the profit consistency below 20% to 30% to maximize your profit share and scale fast.
At the end of the day, this isn't about controlling you, it's about building habits that can handle scale. If you can be consistent with $25,000, what happens when we give you $100,000 or more?
Exactly, consistency is your ticket to trust. At WeMasterTrade, we fund traders, but we also study them. This rule shows whether you are serious about long-term trading, or just chasing lucky spies.
And we've seen it just time and again. The traders who respect this rule, they're the ones getting multiplied payouts, referrals, and eventually scaling into 6-figure funded accounts.
So don't fear the rules. Embrace it as feedback. Too high? That's good. It means you have made profit. Now the growth balances out over multiple sessions.
And remember, no manual math required. WeMasterTrade dashboard automatically calculate your profit consistency ratio. Check it anytime under Statistics tab.
So to summarize, quick recap for traders, okay? This rule is about balance, it's not volume. Keep your best day under 20% of total profit for max payout. Spread your wins across multiple sections. Monitor progress using the dashboard too. And so far, we have worked through the daily loss limit, tackled the maximum account loss, and examined how profit consistency shapes your long-term payouts and growth. And now, we arrive at the final, and perhaps the most overlooked rules of all. it would be risk consistency rule. Alright traders, we have covered daily loss, max loss and profit consistency. You know, like now, there's to protect your capital and keep your payouts on track. But there's one pillar, the one that separates reckless traders from pros. I'm talking about the risk consistency rule, what we like to call the discipline test. Because honestly, the market isn't your biggest threat, it's your own inconsistency is.
Exactly.
Traders often think the hardest part is predicting price, but really it's staying disciplined with how much you risk purchase.
This rule doesn't care about your win stake. It monitors your risk pools. If you want to scale at WeMasterTrade, this is non-negotiable.
So what is the rule? Here's the simple version. You cannot risk more than 2% of your initial account balance on any single trade idea.
And that includes everything linked to that trade idea, close trades, floating losses, fees and swap, nothing is excluded.
For accounts like the 510 OPC package, the rule is even stricter, 1% per trade idea.
Consistency isn't just about profit and losses. It's about the process, random position sizing, which is equal wide equity swing and it also equal very hard to scale.
This rule protects both you and WeMasterTrade. It reverses capital and ensures your edge plays out over time.
Think of it as your account hit bit. If losses jump from 0.5 to 5 overnight, that chaos, not trading.
So what counts as a trade idea? A trade idea isn't just one order. It's a bundle of trades sharing the same logic.
For example, 3 buy orders on gold at different times equal one trade idea.
Same symbol, same directions, close around the same times, grouped logically. The 2% risk cap applies to the entire bundle.
So the system doesn't look at the trades individually, it's look at logical bundles.
So what's allowed? You can have multiple trade ideas as long as reach the respect 2% risk limit.
Buy gold, sell GBP, GPY, sell AUD USD, 3 separate trade ideas. Each can risk up to 2%.
And while it's not allowed, there's like 3 buys order on gold, same direction, same assets, 1 is equal 1 trade idea.
If combined risk exists 2%, the account is flagged immediately, no exceptions.
And yes, like give you guys some real example. Let's break it down. Imagine a $50,000 account. Your risk consistency limit is 2% per trade idea. And so $1,000 max per bundle.
Trade idea number 1, buy gold, total risk $900, 1.8% perfectly under the limit.
Later, you open another buy on gold, same directions, same assets. Combined with the first positions, your risk now totals $1,200. That is 2.4%. Even though each trade looks small individually, the system counts them as one trade idea.
And here, the crucial part. The platform sees a 2% breach immediately. That means even a small miscalculation can trigger a violation.
Remember, it includes floating losses too. If the first gold trade is floating minus $500 and the second as minus $700, your equity hits $46,800 over the 2% limit violation trigger.
This is why you must think in trade idea bundles, not isolated trades. That's how pros stay compliant without cutting back on strategy.
Trades ideas counts combined risk, stay under 2% idea, and track both floating and closed losses. Master this and risk consistency become your allies.
Tip 1, count trade ideas, not trades.
Tip 2, keep position sizing stable, no surge.
And tips 3, use WeMasterTrade dashboard. Live risk tracking is your best friend.
Tip number 4, plan trades.
Plan trades ahead. Don't open multiple positions impulsively.
Tip 5, watch news event.
Watching news event, volatility can push
can
you over.
2% fast.
Can I have a
Don't
break?
cry.
Do it.
We copy.
So let's get into the mindset shift. Discipline equal freedom.
This isn't punishment, it's a framework for long-term success. Trade inside the box and you can scale safely.
Respect the risk consistency rule and you will outlast 90% of traders.
Combine risk discipline and combine with profit consistency. Combine with daily max loss management. That is the trifecta separating amateur from professional traders at WeMasterTrade.
This isn't just a checkbox on dashboard, it's how the pros play the game. Hedge of funds like by this, big banks and forces and top tier traders, they treat it like gospel.
Alright, this isn't about micromanaging you or limiting freedom. It's about protecting your account, our capital, and the trust in this trading community. Misses and even a small mistake can spiral fast.
There's the reality. Traders who embrace this rule, who understand that small disciplined risk is the engine behind the scrabble capital. Those are the ones that we invest in. Those are the traders who go from $25,000 to $1 million and beyond.
If you want to trade like a professional, you need to know exactly how much you're risking on every trade, every single day. No guessing, no hope, clarity is key.
And if you are still opening trades just because a setup feels right, or you are eyeballing lot size, consider it's your wake-up call. Structure your trades, respect your limits, protect your capital, fearless.
This isn't really a rule, this is a habit, a mindset, a framework for long-term success. Nail this now and the road to bigger account, higher payout and consistent growth become clear, predictable and sustainable. So we have made through all the rules: daily loss, max loss, profit consistency, risk consistency. Now it's time to the part every trader dreams about, scaling your account.
Small capital, bigger loss, higher rewards, or while trading without risking your own money.
That's exactly what the WeMasterTrade Scale Up plan does. It's a clear roadmap from a $10,000 funded account all the way to $1 million with defined milestones and real targets.
And how the scaling works? Our scale up plans is performance based. Trade well, follow the rules and hit profit target and your capital grow. You don't have to pay for it, you earn it.
No gimmicks, your growth comes from consistency, discipline and smart trade.
And it's aggressive, double, triple, quadruple your capital up to $1 million depending on your starting account.
Yes, WeMasterTrade offer two scale paths, percentage based and amount based.
Percentage base are start level 1 at 100% of your base account. 10% profit with required. Profit consistency, you move to level 2, capital increase 50%.
Level 3 equal 300%. Level 4 equal 600%. Level 5 equal 1,200%. Level 6 equal 2,400%. Max is $1 million. And for every level, you complete at least 2 payout cycles to prove stability.
Amount-based instant funding. In simpler, start at $10,000, move up to $15,000, $30,000, $60,000, all the way to $1 million, hitting profit target at each step. Well, I think we can jump into like the, let me see. Yes, we can jump into the new calendar, right? So, would you like to jump right into the new calendar?
Yeah, sure. So we will start with the economic calendar for today. So good day, traders, hidden seers, and welcome back to our live market breakdown. Today is Thursday, and December 11th, and we have got some big red for the news, especially for AUD and USD. With me, as always, is Tony. How is it going, Tony?
Doing great. Eden, and yeah, today is definitely an important trend day, especially for AUD with a full lineup from the Reserve Bank of Australia, later for USD with ADP and Joe's data. So let's jump right in.
Part 1 major AUD events morning sessions at 10:30 a.m. So the day kicks off with the RBI cash rate, and we got exactly what the markets expected. No change, holding steady at 3.6%.
When the rate stays unchanged and matches forecast volatility, it usually but traders still wants to talk. You can continue, Annie.
So exactly, a hawkish tones boost AUD.
Okay.
A dovish tone pushes it down. Today's statement seems neutral to slightly cautious, meaning the markets may stay balanced.
And yeah, okay. Next up, we will get to AUD RBA press conference. This is a real market mover. The press conference often creates a large AUD volatility because traders react instantly to the government comment.
Yeah. Right, with the rate unchanged, the conference becomes the key driver for AUD pairs like AUD USD and AUD Japanese Yen.
So let's get to the JPY event. So at 4 p.m. for JPY, BOJ government Ueda speaks.
Whenever BOJ Governor Ueda speaks, JPY traders pay attention. Japan has been slowly shifting from ultra loose policy, so any sign of change can move the yen.
If Ueda has the tightening or inflation concerns, JPY strengthens. If they stay dovish, JPY weakens. Expect some movement around these times.
And yes, let's get into the USD data, the evening section. So, tentative USD ADP weekly employment change?
No forecast list, but ADP numbers gives insights into private sector employment. Since the previous reading was negative, markets want to see improvement.
Stronger than expected ADP reading usually boosts USD. If it's disappointed, it could weigh on the dollar.
And yes, at 9:50 p.m., monetary policy report hearings.
This even affects GBP volatility because policy makers discuss the economic outlook and policy bias.
It's not a red folder event, but it can create sharp movements depending on tones.
Yes. Next up, we got job openings.
This the September jobs report, an important indicator of labor market strength. A higher reading means a tighter labor market.
Thai labor markets can delay rate cuts, so high jobs numbers are typically USD positive.
At 10 p.m. USD for job opening again.
And here we have the update job figure 7.14 million, slightly below the previous 7.23 million.
That suggests a slight easing in job demand, not a crash, but it does hint that the labor market is cooling gradually. This could put mild pressure on USD if market expect future rate cuts.
Tony, what's the big picture for traders today?
Here's the summary. AUD cash rate unchanged, statement neutral, press conference, main volatility source, expect stronger movement depending on RBA tone. JPY user speak could create swings in react strongly to any policy hints. USD, ADP and JOLTS give insight into labor strength. Slight JOLTS decline may often USD watch price action around NY section. GBP policy hearings may create spike but not guarantee.
That's wraps our analysis for today. It's a big day for AUD and USD, so stay alert and manage risk.
Thanks for joining us. We'll continue tracking real-time moves throughout the section. See you in the next update.
Yes. Goodbye, you guys. Remember, trade smart, trade with WeMasterTrade.